Hello and welcome back to Stray, and we are in prison. Wow, I didn't realise that, but we can move around in the cage. We seem to be stuck in a hanging cage. Yeah, we seem. I know we're in prison because we're obviously in a cage, and there's a prison door over there. I think we've got to swing this cage. All right, here we go. Oh, hang on. Come on. There we go. There we go. And we're out. So yeah. That was pretty easy to get out, so yeah, that's our cage down there. And yeah, we're in prison. So, last time what happened, I think we're on episode 6 of the Let's Play series. But by the way, I've made a playlist too now, so go watch it. You can watch all the episodes now on my channel. Just go to playlist and watch them all. And last episode, yeah, we entered... we found ourselves in a cage in the jail. So yeah, we're in the jail or prison, whatever. So I think last episode, yeah, we got in trouble with some sentinels, and we got caught for robbing the atomic battery, which we've already put in the train station. I don't know if we'll, because we've already put that in the train station. I don't know if we'll get that back or not. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. But yeah. Okay. Alright, let's have a look around this prison then. Oh dear. That's how they torture robots, I'm guessing. Alright, yeah, there's more Sentinel robots over there. So basically, the Sentinel robots are like police, so like officers, whatever. And they try to shoot you when you get in their like laser beam thing. Oh yeah, so yeah. So this is not. I want to have a look at in all the cells. I want to have a look in them. Some of them are, most of them are empty. I think, I'm not sure if we're meant to go that way or... I guess we can go either way, but, oh, actually no, we can't go that way because, essentially a sentinel drone in here is not moving, so... Oh dear. Oh, there's a... Oh look, there's a vent here. There's more dead robots and a toilet. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay. Wow. Okay. Right, yeah, let's get back on this bin. So yeah, if we get spotted, we'll probably immediately get back, so I'm really not hoping we get spotted. Oh, Clementine! Oh yes, we lost this guy last time. So, hopefully, we could try and get him out. Oh wow, he's literally right there. He's figured it out while he's been in there the whole time. I go get him. I'm guessing I have to go through one of those little vents or something. Whoa. I'm guessing it's a big prison. Also, I'm not sure where this prison is on the map. And wow. It's very overgrown in this prison. What's going on? Whoa, we can see the outside. Yo. Oh, I see where we are. We're like... Are we in the lower part of the city now? I'm not sure. Where are we? There we are. Grab key. Oh, so we don't have the robot anymore. Oh, where's our robot? Yeah, I don't know where he is. So we're gonna have to pick it up using our mouth, which is Q, not E. It's normally E, so I wondered why it was Q, and that's why, because we don't have the robot. So we're gonna free Clementine. There you go. Can you unlock it from the inside? Oh wow. Let's have a look in your cell then. So yeah, you've not even got a mattress for your bed. Wow. Alright, so where are we going? We're going this way. Oh, those keys seem to unlock that as well. Seem to unlock a couple things around this prison. Oh, this is a very big prison, by the way. Is that a sky? No, it's not. It's fake sky. What's this? Is that a robot? It's a robot! There he is. Wow. He must be very valuable if he's kept in that. Maybe it's because he's a powerful robot. When did they get him in there? Oh, hang on. What's this? Oh yeah, he's looking at that. Aww. Oh, he wants his friend back. Yeah, plan something to get him back. Oh, they can't talk to each other. Yeah, we can't hear him because we don't have the robot. It's like we're all back at the start again. Okay, let's go. Alright, Clementine is actually nice enough to help us. Why am we moving so slow? Oh, there we go. Maybe it was because we were walking behind Clementine, I'm not sure. Oh dear. Wow, this is going to be hard. Okay, here we go. Oh, we could hack that door to get out. Oh, maybe we will when we get the robot. Alright, let's go. Alright, maybe we need to turn something off. Let's go this way. Maybe there's a lever we can pull. Because sometimes... Oh wait, are we meant to jump over that? Yeah, if we jump over that, it'll get caught. We'll probably die. Oh, hang on. Oh! That's on the roof. Oh, I jumped to that! Oh my god! This cat's going for it. Oh, there he is. Oh no. Oh! Ah, yes, jump up there. Oh no! 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 Get in! We're okay. Oh look, this is where they call it a family. But they have no family. No one has no family here because, you know, they're robots. Let's go this way. Oh wow. Right, here we go. Let's run through in here. Because there's a wire. Ah, lever. Aha. Do we need to run? Just gonna go down. Oh! Oh no! The cat got shot! Alright, this is gonna have to... We've got to go fast this time. Get him! Get in the box. I'm in the box. Okay. Okay, I think we lost them. Okay, here we go. Alright, they're going back. Yep, they're going back. Oh gosh. Okay. We've got him in our mouth. Oh no, he's hanging. Wait, he's hanging from the antenna. Oh no, I need to go up here. That's it. Go. Right, all the lasers are gone for some reason. I don't know why they would turn off if there's like, you know, if they're all trying to make them stay there. Stay where they are, hands up. Stay where you are. Why? By the way, why does Clementine's hand say "kiss me"? I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but replay the video see if you want to see it. I felt like I was trapped. Yeah, you've said that before. You're a good friend. I'm so glad we're up together again, but it's not safe yet. We need to find a way out. Can you open this door for us? Yes, let's go. I knew it. I knew we would have to open that door. Right, where are we? Please, car park? What is this? Looks like it's some kind of car park. Yeah, Clementine's got the key, hasn't he? Have you? No, you're just staring at a door. You're just staring at a door. I guess you want me to do something. Just ask. Oh. Cute. Oh. The cat has found bricks. We're gonna smash it down. Oh, here we go. What? That was so loud. Oh, we're on his head. I mean, her head. By the way, I noticed in my video I was calling Clementine a he. I know it's a girl. I just did that because, like, I don't know. Just assuming. Because, like, you know, don't have any hair. You can't really tell. Okay. Are there other robots in here? Yeah, there's a guy over here. Let's talk to him. Pablo. Do you see that guy on the ground over there? He was rebooted. I don't want to lose my memory. I'm so scared. Rebooted? Oh wow. If he's rebooted, that means he's safe, isn't he? No. Oh, in here. Oh wow. Okay, we're good. Yeah, so one of those guys were rebooted. We'll go in here. No. What are we doing in here? Oh, I think we're meant to trap the sentinel. Go on. No. Yes. Hehe. We trapped you. There we go. I want to talk to this guy. This recovery centre has done me the greatest good. My mind is clear and lucid. I am an excremble citizen now. Okay. Oh dear, what happened to him? Poor guy. Where are we going? Oh, Clementine's here. Oh, a memory. Remember. This poor fellow. It seems that the Sentinels are ruthless when it comes to defying them. Oh, that's what I fear. They have completely arrested him. No more emotions, no more self-awareness, no more memories. Please, let's not get caught. Okay. Let's go. We'll say hello to this guy. Kaboom! Hey, don't get me in trouble. I only have 758 years left, and then I'm free again. Oh dear. Well, they can live that long though. Okay. Let's go. Oh no. Ah. Could we get them in there? Whoa. Whoa. Yo. No. No. Come on. Come here. Goodbye. And they're all gone, like just like that. Where they belong. Oh, hello. You can see that. Oh, I don't think I can talk to you. They're all just watching. What's in here? Oh! Little gap I can go through. Let's let Clementine through. Oh, what's this? The store. It's the only way out of this jail. I think we can open it from that control room over there. We have to find a way to access that room though. Let's look around. Okay, let's go. A tuk-tuk? They have a police tuk-tuk in here. There's dead robots in there. Bikes. Why are there bikes? Oh, I can't go that way because there's a bike in the way. How are we meant to open the store then? So I think we gotta get. Oh yeah. Yeah, we can go that way. How do we get through this in there? Oh. No. They left the keys in the door. Up on the truck, you should be able to jump over the fence. Ah! You can drive, can you? Okay, go on. Here we go. Okay. We made it. Who's down here? Nothing down there. Just see if there was a memory. Any dead robots? I don't know. No, there's not. Why am I so curious? For dead robots, I don't really know. Oh, I just jumped on a lever. Oh wow. There we go. Ah! Oh, that's why there was doors there, because, you know, there's robots. Oh, go. Ah! Run after the tuk-tuk! Ah, hey! Wait for me, slow down a little. Ah! Oh, we made it! Yes. Whoa! Oh, here we go. Yo! Whoa. Whoa. Yo. Bro, what? There's no way we'll make it with the sentinels on our tail. I'll distract them for a little bit while, but you have to go. Yeah. The outsiders. There's a manifesto says we must go outside at any cost. I wrote that. Ah, you're one of us there. It's not that everyone has to get to the outside, but one of us has to. No, go subway key. Go now. I'll keep them at my ram, little outsider. Here they come. Alright. I guess we've got to leave Clementine, sadly. So yeah. Oh yeah, I think this is the subway, so I guess we get to put the battery in the thing. Get to put the battery in the thing to power it on. Anyway guys, I think that is where we will end the episode because I want to have a separate episode for the last episode of the game, and this episode and the next episode will be a bit shorter. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!